Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I am here with the contents of fibroids of uterus. What is fibroids? Fibroids are abnormal growths that develop in or on a woman's uterus. Sometimes these tumors become quite large and cause severe abdominal pain and heavy periods. In other cases, they cause no signs and symptoms at all. The growth are typically benign or non-cancerous. What are the different types of fibroids? The types of fibroids of a woman develops depends on its location in or on the uterus. Like intramural fibroids means these are the common most type of fibroid. These types appear within the muscular wall of your uterus. Subserosal fibroids. The subserosal fibroids form on the outside of your uterus, which is called the serosa. Pedunculated fibroids. Subserosal tumors can develop a stem or a slender base that supports the tumor, which is known as pedunculated fibroids. Submucosal fibroids. These type of tumors develop in the middle muscle layer or myometrium of your uterus. What are the causes of fibroids? It's unclear why fibroids develop, but several factors may influence their formation like hormones including estrogen and progesterone are the hormones produced by the ovaries, and family history, pregnancy, etc. Who all are at the risk of fibroids? Women are at greater risk for developing fibroids if they have one or more risk factors like pregnancy, a family history of fibroids, age of 30s or older, African American woman, a woman with high body weight. What are the symptoms of fibroids? Your symptoms will depend on the number of tumors you have as well as their location and size. If your tumor is very small and you are going through a menopause, you may not have any symptoms. Fibroids may shrink during and after menopause. The symptoms of fibroids may include heavy bleeding between or during your periods, pain in the pelvis or lower back, increased menstrual cramping, increased urination, pain during intercourse, menstruation that lasts longer than usual, pressure or fullness in your lower abdomen, swelling or enlargement of the abdomen. How are fibroids diagnosed? For a proper diagnosis, you will need to see a gynecologist to get a pelvic examination like ultrasound, pelvic MRI, etc. How are fibroids treated? Your doctor will develop a treatment plan based on your age, the size of your fibroids, and your overall health. You may receive a combination of treatments such as medications. The medications to regulate your hormone level may be prescribed to shrink the fibroids, which include gonadotropin releasing hormone antagonist like ganirelix acetate, cetrorelix acetate, elagolix. Other options include below drugs can help to control bleeding and pain but won't shrink or eliminate the fibroids, like an IUD, over-the-counter or anti-inflammatory pain relievers such as ibuprofen or Advil, birth control pills, etc. We have surgical options like myomectomy or abdominal myomectomy, hysterectomy, forced ultrasound surgery, myolysis procedures such as ASESA, endometrial ablation. The non-surgical options is uterine artery embolization. In this procedure, small particles are injected into the uterus in order to cut off the fibroid's blood supply. Home remedies and natural treatment. Certain home remedies and natural treatment can have a positive effect on fibroids, which include acupuncture, yoga, massage, applying heat for cramps, avoid heat if you experience heavy bleeding. Avoid meats and high-calorie food. Instead of that, opt for foods high in flavonoids, green vegetables, green tea, and cold water fish such as tuna or salmon, etc. Manage your stress level and you should reduce your weight also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.